How to reschedule Air France flight. Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will teach you how you can reschedule your Air France flight. So one thing you must note is that you can always reschedule or you can always change your Air France flight. And the easiest way of doing this is by contacting the customer care. So the first step is to log in into your Air France account. Once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page, you see the logo by the top left corner, and then by the right side, you'd see your country, then name, etc. And the next step is to click on the three vertical dots that you can see. Sorry, three horizontal dashes that you can see. And then once you see it, a box will be displayed. In this box, you'll see other options like book a flight, check-in, my booking, information, our flights, etc. Just click on contact us. After clicking on contact us, you'll be taken to the contact us page. All right. So on this page, you'll see the number that you have to use to contact at the top part of the screen, and then you can now see other options like planning my trip and booking a flight, complaint, refunds, etc. So you can just go ahead and click on planning my trip and booking a flight. Then you can see I want to book a flight and add an extra option. I want to book a flight using Wise or etc. So you just scroll down until you see the one that is close to what you're looking for. So you can just select I need assistance with making an online booking. So you can select any of this topic if you want to. Now, for example, you can see search for flight times, request information about a current booking, and then make changes to your booking. So you can just click on make changes to your booking, and then you'll be directed to your bookings page. On this page, you'll see all of your bookings and all of your flights. All right. Once you've seen them, select the one that you'd want to change. Currently, I have not made any bookings. That is why this page is empty. But for you, you would see all of your bookings here. And then once you can see them, select the flight that you want to change. And after selecting the flight, you'll be directed to another page where you see other options. Amongst the options, select change flight. And then you'll be directed to another page where you can continue the changing process, the rescheduling process, the departure, arrival date, etc. And then once you've selected once you've selected it, click OK, and then just like that, the flights will be rescheduled. All right. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.